Hey everyone, this is Louie with PJI. Today we're unboxing the Laversab 6300 Air Data Test Set, a must-have for any serious maintenance tech. As we crack open the box, here's why this unit stands out. Precision built for pitot-static testing, it handles airspeed, altitude, and pressure calibrations with absolute accuracy. It's RVSM-compliant and Wi-Fi enabled, so you can run tests right from your tablet or phone. The 6300 is capable of dual-channel testing, leak checks, and automated sequences. It's fast, smart, and efficient, just like your team needs it to be. Need to move it across the ramp or hangar? It's got rugged wheels and handles, plus a portable design that's ready to go wherever the work takes you. Built-in data logging means you can store and retrieve test data on the fly, perfect for audits and long-term maintenance tracking. So that's the Laversab 6300. Most models ship in just one business day, and our experts are always available if you need help choosing the right test set.